God Tag, Jag heter Alisa Charlotte Bunyo, Niton Argomal from Lemmer Colleges. Sweden is the largest country in Northern Europe and the fifth largest in Europe and the 55th largest country in the world. Sweden has a 3,218 kilometer coastline on its east. The total landmass of Sweden is 450,295 kilometers square. Sweden, its capital is Stockholm, and its official language is Swedish. Swedish Svenska, the official language of Sweden, with Finnish, one of the two national languages of Finland. The current population of Sweden in 2021 is 10,160,169. The national colors of the country of Sweden have traditionally been yellow or gold and blue, and these colors are used on the country's flag. The blue represents justice, loyalty, truth, vigilance, and perseverance. And the yellow or gold color used on the cross is a representation of generosity. In the late 14th century, Sweden was becomingly increasingly intertwined with Denmark and Norway, with the three eventually uniting in the Kalmar Union. During the following century, a series of rebellions lessened Sweden's ties to the Union, sometimes even leading to the election of a separate Swedish king. The present-day Swedish national folk dress, the colors blue and yellow, are taken from the Swedish flag. Historically, in the far north, meats such as reindeer and other Sami dishes were eaten, some of which have their roots in the Sami culture, while vegetables have played a larger role in the south. The jolbord, including well-known Swedish dishes such as gravlax and meatballs. Sweden is famous for the northern lights, commonly known as the aurora borealis. Mother Nature's greatest light show is one of the best things to see in Sweden. Prehistoric archaeological artifacts and sites, including graves and rock carvings, give an indication of the ancient system of religious beliefs practiced in Sweden during the pre-Christian era. Did you know the 1.63% of Sweden is forest and one of the cleanest countries on the planet? Sweden is also the fifth largest country in Europe with a total land area of 450,295 kilometers square, and it is also the birthplace of many global companies and iconic brands. And did you know their passport is also known as the world's most powerful passport?